The Genie G3T-R garage remote uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is the CR2032 battery you'll need for replacement. First, locate the battery compartment on the back of the remote. Use a small flathead screwdriver or coin to gently pry open the cover. Remove the old battery, noting the correct orientation with positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Then snap the cover back on securely. Finally, test the remote to ensure it's working. CR2032 batteries in garage door remotes typically last between 1 to 3 years, depending on usage frequency and environmental conditions. If the remote still doesn't work after battery replacement, check the battery contacts inside the compartment for any white corrosion buildup. Gently clean the contacts with a dry cloth to remove residue. Make sure you're using a fresh new battery and that it's installed properly. The positive side should face up and ensure there are no gaps or obstructions in the compartment. Always dispose of old CR2032 batteries responsibly. Take them to an electronics store for recycling to prevent environmental harm, as these contain lithium. For best results and longevity, use CR2032 batteries from trusted brands like Energizer or Duracell. These brands offer consistent quality and performance. If you've tried these troubleshooting steps and the remote still doesn't work, consult the Genie Company website for detailed manuals, FAQs, and additional support options.